Mr. Xavier. And in my ArchBang review and installation, I told you that, well, in the show notes, it said that I was going to do a CrunchBang review. And here it is, CrunchBang Linux. It is also open box like ArchBang, but unlike ArchBang, it is based off of Debian, not Arch Linux. So, yeah, so for example, like if you wanted to install something in a terminal, you use apt-get, sudo apt-get install, for example, GIMP, which I already have. GIMP is already at the newest version. Well, yeah, so, and now Arch uses the Pacman, so Pacman s GIMP if I wanted to do that. Pacman command not found. But yeah, its installation is a lot like the Debian installation, and yeah, let's get to it. But before you do that, click on this. This is currently Great Britain. I know that a lot of people who use Linux in Great Britain, but I'm in the US, so no. So let's install this. Let's see. Well, actually, I'm in the live CD right now. I think I need to reboot. So do the graphical install. And for those of y'all who have already installed Debian before, this CrunchBang is exactly like the Debian installation. So hit continue, or wait, what did that say? Yeah, my language is English. Yep, I live in the United States. American English key map. Hostname, I'm just gonna call this, continue, full name for the new user. It's like the exact same thing as the Debian install, kinda. Continue. After you've done that, I'm Eastern time zone. Yeah, I'm gonna use the entire disk because this is 24 gigabyte virtual machine. But if you want to do a manual, like you can do the guided partition just brings you back. But I'm just gonna take over this whole space, so continue. No, I'll just partition it for you. Yeah, partition your disks. Select guided partitioning. Use entire disk. All files in one partition. Just go ahead and do that. Yep. Right, change this to your disk. Hit yes. Oh, and by the way, if you've seen my Debian installation video, CrunchBang is pretty much like that. So check that out. I'll have a link in the description for those two videos. And by the way, CrunchBang, it is like LXD and XFCE, so... Well, no. Well, CrunchBang, you can get it with the OpenBox window manager. Like, that's its default, but you can also get it for XFCE. Like, with the XFCE desktop environment, but it's meant for open box because it's supposed to be a lightweight distribution. But the installer is pretty much the same thing because of the fact that it's a Debian-based distribution, so. Now, after I do this CrunchBang video, after that, I'm gonna show you how to I'm gonna do an ArchBang CrunchBang comparison afterwards. But honestly, I really like ArchBang a little more than CrunchBang, but it's up to you. Now, configure the package manager. I'll use apt-get. Yep, install grub bootloader on dev SDA. It does that automatically for you, but in the ArchBang install, it'll ask you which partition you want to install it on. Now, it is pretty much done, actually. Alright, installation is complete, so just hit continue. Boot from primary master. Alright, boot into CrunchBang Linux. Alright, my username. Alright, and so now I'm going to do just a quick review on it, just show what applications come with it. Let's see. Oh yeah, I forgot the post-installation script. Alright, so hit NET to continue. This is a very important thing in CrunchBang, I completely forgot about it. Update your software sources, type in your password. Alright, update installed packages. Type in your password. Oh, that was wrong. Alright. Now that that's done, the Samba server thing. Yeah. That Samba server doesn't really matter, so all your updating's done, so install the printer support now. And by the way, you can skip anything that you don't need in the installation framework or post-installation script, so yeah, install Java support. That's like have to. So the Java support is done, so yes, install LibreOffice. That's your work suite. Like Microsoft Office and like max iWork, I think. So that's done. What you need to do now, install the development packages. Let's commonly use. Skip. You can do that if you want, but I don't want to. You are done. If you didn't want to install the development packages, so hit any key to exit. So now let's check out what applications CrunchBang has to offer. You just right click, as the run program terminal, which its terminal is just the Debian or GNOME terminal. Web browser, what's that? Iceweasel, which apparently is a ripoff of Firefox. Oh no, never mind. No, it isn't. File manager. Let's go help about Thunar. What I'd expect for a lightweight distribution. Text editor. Genie. I haven't heard of that. Media player. VLC media player. Alright. Okay. And your accessories, catfish file search. Archive manager. Help about file roller. Oh yeah, that's a GNOME. Genie text editor. Terminator terminal. Okay, haven't heard of that terminal, but alright. Thunar file manager. Graphics, GIMP. View in your image viewer. Haven't heard of that. Multimedia. VLC media player. Volume control. XF burn for burning disks. Network. WW browsers. You can install Google Chrome and install Opera. I like Google Chrome. GFTP client. Transmission. XChat. Remote file systems. Remote desktop. You need to install the VNC server. Oh, nice. It comes with Dropbox. Alright, so let's install Google Chrome now. In the meantime, and multimedia, yeah, we checked that. Office, we just installed LibreOffice, but by the default it comes with Ebi Word and Numeric, which are lightweight, which is your lightweight GNOME suite, calculator, and Events PDF viewer. Settings, compositing, Conky, dmenu, gmrun, openbox, Terminator, tint to display settings, edit default applications, user interface, power management, screensaver, choose wallpaper. Pretty typical stuff. Printers, configure printers, Gparted. Oh, it comes with that by default. That's good. User login settings, Synaptic Package Manager, lock screen, and exit. Okay. So yeah, pretty typical stuff from OpenBox. A good mix of XFC and XD with some GNOME like thrown in. Alright, let's check out Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Oh, nice. Comes up pretty nice. Good. Has another theme. This CrunchBang theme. This reminds me a lot of Google Mobile, probably because of the screen resolution, but yeah. You can roll up windows like you can in XFCE when you click that. No, that feature was like mainly found in like it's not in Ubuntu, but it's in, well, it's on Ubuntu 12.04, but yeah, it's in XFCE. Anyway, I believe we just installed CrunchBang 11 Waldorf, so I'll double check, and if I'm wrong, I'll put it in a notation to say that I was wrong. But yeah, it's either 10 or 11. But yeah, alright then. Comment, rate, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in a future video.